Yo, what's up? Hold up. What's up? We at the car wash. We at it's a spot in Maryland I found. I think this is a nice place to hold like a ratchet meat. So if you're in like in the DMV area, yeah. Yo, look at this shit. I don't know if I showed y'all, but fucking mildew, bro. Like apparently there's like a leak or some shit. I think from like when I had that accident and like my insurance company, like I don't know if they fixed it right. Look at all this fucking shit, bro. But let me see if I got. Just look who we have here. I don't know where he went. Fuck did he go? Fuck did he go? Guess who's back? He happy as shit. This gonna be a while before I post it, so you good.
Gotcha. Thanks.
I do need an exhaust clip later though. Who's he talking? Hey, look, come here for a second. Look at this shit. This is before. Hopefully, I don't think I'm gonna forget. I still gotta do the inside too. We probably not gonna notice the difference for this, but I don't even have no fucking towels though. Like that's the fucking thing. I'm not spending no money on That's an Acura? Yeah. Hey, we got trouble coming through. He said he gonna come in a little bit, so we gonna hold off on the food real quick. Look at my brother from another motherfucking mother.
What's up, guys?
Hey, if you're new, that's A-Rob, aka the King of Burnout, aka Mr. Go Head to Head with fucking, what's it, Kelsey?
Yes.
Yo, that night was epic.
Hell yeah.
They still talking about it. Yo, they still talking about this dude. Like, what was it, like a year ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, this dude did like a major freaking burnout. And like, oh my god. They still talking about it. Talking about so where he at. Uh-oh. Here come trouble. Starting shit. Look at this nigga. Look at this motherfucker. Crazy ass. Ooh! Want some gap? You want some gap? It's like, no. What's up, fool? Back in the game.
You want some gap?
I don't want no gap.
Why you don't want no gap? Come on,
my slow ass car. That's hard. Damn, that shit.
That's a little too close for comfort.
It's kind of low.
Yeah, that's a little too close.
Oh yeah.
That's a little too close. Hold on. Did I scratch? No. It's just damn fucking close.
This shit look nice.
I'm gonna have to scoot that up. That's making me too.
I know.
That's making me too fucking nervous. I can't do that.
It's stealing food and shit.
That's all I want.
Fucking food thief.
What's up?
We have to go from one pool.
My car and your car?
No, in my car.
Okay, I was about to say.
Just leave the party.
Exactly.
No point. Everybody else in here.
These motherfuckers talk about Xbox games and shit.
You really do need to get an Xbox.
Trust me.
PS.
Because you'll be building all the Hondas in that game.
I sure would. Now I'm gonna build an FD.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
You want the VTEC, bro?
There we go. The VTech.
VTech, no tech.
Oh god.
Good out here. It ain't boost season, but
It's got colors.
that blue tip.
In blue tip.
It don't even have a blow off valve, but it sounds like it has one.
What the fuck?
That shit knew I was coming.
God damn.
A few moments later.
See, that exhaust ain't that quiet.
Inside. You can hear it inside
Yeah,
more.
you can hear it. And that's all I want. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that.
I'm just waiting for y'all to pull off. Bye, bro. Text me when you get home.
I will.
A silent ass car. Yo, I forgot to end the video last night, but yeah, I'm out. Peace. I'm not bad. It was like good. I'm sorry. I'm like, I woke up like depressed or some shit. But anyway, but it was good seeing like the homies last night. And but yeah, I'm out, man.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.